Noah Laos ba Budapest. Eba be Blazy the trail. Obe seti esa obe twa sabi to wa. Na similar to the Usain Bolt babe winning the 100 meters and the 200 meters in one event. Now obabe jiwie no ne kasa yemu na no akwa yi neka. So on the for the benefit of more montie the interview bra or Luther Bono or Mommy and Tibi on Yababaka will delve into it and explain.
Of what? The United States? You know, the thing that hurts me the most is that I have to watch the NBA finals and they have world champion on their head. World champion of what? The United States? Don't get me wrong. I love the U.S. at times, but that ain't the world. That is not the world. We are the world. We have almost every country out here fighting, thriving, putting on their flag to show that they are represented. There ain't no flags in the NBA.
Well, no allows us a more cano. Mechiche was simply in trio patches. NBA no or no started social NBA finals. So bones are describing as a world championship series. And yet fact because NBA no America who no more bono. So we need the NBA championship, but you are not a world champion. Or none of them no be compete no. Countries are who do our more best athletes no ma ba obi abe showcase the award. And it is a wooden kunimo that stage now we need gold medal now. And yet to me Eddie SSC Abokas a world champion. But one, you can hear non fa. The NBA finals is no longer known as the world championship. Sadly no mujai cry before say ever no allows. Into every NBA final be no allows no. It is start as the NBA finals near the year na count. Yes, into the can non fa.
Only on the afternoon
or no started or share NBA finals. Or people boy no allows. I don't see when you're 24 years cry. I want and maybe 1993, 94, 95, 96 oh baby. What I checking in year of birth, mommy. The NBA finals, no, ye jai no a World Series in 1986. When no a baby belonging to after 1990s. In the time I hear about the war crown, near NBA finals, no World Championship. And there is a reason why I know more friends are because sporty Biani or the pioneers.
Yeah, 97.
97.
Now, what 26 years.
And the jai NBA finals, no, say ye friend of World Championship Series, no. 11 years of crowns and here Babel. So which NBA finals no share ya? Yeah, they are two almost say the World Championship Series. So falsehood. And I'm gonna say no fano. Two, there was a reason why this Dino at two NBA finals and so sports beyond a pioneer. The basketball now no. A pioneer that as originated, the professional era from America. Omono my the trailblazers said na make hip hop wansem na nyom to hip hop me say oh America for na den nyom to ne buy hip hop ne buy, so I can refer to them as the best in the world. It doesn't necessarily mean that we are seeing no omon kwa na hip hop, but what it means is that they were the pioneers. Omono me the pace setters, omono mu twa asa de to ho ana ebi ma be febi omo so ye. It is similar to the NBA basketball as it is now. It is why it is because of America basketball, and in fact, but they say Sinipiaka said the best international team worldwide, American basketball team, no. The best international team, football, any other sport, America basketball team. Olympic Games, I'm about 19 times, 16 times, I'm winning gold medals.
I'm about 19 and 16
19 appearances, 16 times, I'm winning gold medals. Oh, okay. 19 times in Omunya medal.
Wow.
So Laos has no canon. He's venturing into a very, very deep end. And while he will just sink with on one news, you know. And that is why Obi said Kevin Durant back said, somebody help this brother. Because your tour can say, a Rodorada sem no can. And the easy money sniper, no, that is Kevin Durant's Instagram account. Book, Devin Booker. honestly, DNA, he's very disgusted at the comment. No, Lillard cried, "Your Baba saying or the TF car, or said TF car, the F." Nah, Aaron Gordon. As I said, whatever, I'm smoking body in the 200 meters. Or no, no, best also to the 200 meters race to cry the account. And then Jones, or no body, I say, yeah, this ain't it. No, so the way by no say. Juan on Juan. And also about the Golden State Warriors. So since last time I checked, the NBA was the best competition in the world. And it's undisputed. Then UD40, you done his Haslam. Or nobody Miami Heat and they come coaching staff. No. Also a big fan of Noah Lyles. But he's going to with that Bush. No, but suckers. So clearly they are all peeved at the comment of Noah Lyles. And it's a comment born out of ignorance and arrogance. And a true champion, so we a true champion now, you don't belittle other champions.
No,
and this would you'll be so answer. If you do that to reign, then your kingdom is basically useless. And that is what Noah Lyles tried to do. He decided to trash talk the NBA just to project home. And no true leader, no true winner. And yes, I true winners encourage each other. True winners, no, or more be respecting a young. So you will never hear Novak Djokovic or Ababeka and Messi the Bono or easy in Messi you be winning. You will never hear Messi or Ronaldo come to belittle another winner or a champion from another sport. Noah Lyles is just showing that stat. He's truly not the champion people perceive us to be. And it's true. We never heard this from Usain Bolt.
Yes.
Yeah, two-way BM free Usain Bolt. Now when Rich Yababe winning 100 meters, 200 meters, and no crowd competition anymore. The Obabeke can I think he should go back, work on himself, and know how to talk the next time. Abu, you ain't see football him and the story of Ferran Torres, and also can come back na American home. Ferran Torres, a player in the last year. I had mostly dream co players and so. You buy as old your bunny rini, especially so do sika kwa. You are expecting say Ubenya Usika into match by hook or crook. You care less about what the player feels before, during, and even after the game. In the last year, Upe player mentally was a papa. He is one of them.
Wabepa.
Exactly. From June 2022, Adeba, more than a year, he suffered consistent abuse from fans of Barcelona and fans of Spain. DNTR, born now was so to me, born no to me money, sir. He had issues. So what he did was to contact his friend, Ilias Tupuria. Tupuria bought UFC Nibi. So the best advice at Tupuria, the man here, he should have a strong mentality. Because we are saying the other you fall. When you fall, the ability to bounce back dwells mostly with your psyche. Into prepare wadrina. And the boy out to me revive. And this boy took it in good faith. Last season, injuries kakra hano. And even at the World Cup, now the one day didn't attempt say, Coach Evans Luis Enrique, Elden Eco World Cup, no. It was because only Luis Enrique banning the date. And
I do know the Eco World Cup.
Exactly. It is a last one, sir. And true, they date. There is Ferran Torres, and there is the daughter of Luis Enrique. And to do one dinner attempts a World Cup, no Kobe Crano, he didn't merit it. But this season, before Sebesha, say pre-season, no, the boy decided to do something to help his career. Similar to what Raheem Sterling did, and also transforming. No. One, Okofa, a physiotherapist, and also a psychologist to work on his brain or his mind and then work on his body. And we cannot attest to the fact that Ferran Torres has improved. And in the games our been so far for Barcelona this season, in less than 50 minutes, he has contributed 2 goals. And we have to find a way to come back. And when you come back, things will work for you. Lamine Yamal, the star of the show, Barcelona started Bonabaso. And truly he deserves it. And they say starting a match, ne mame no ye friend no eye Sheila Bender of Equatorial Guinea. Ne papa enso enie eye Mune Nazraoui onu so free Morocco. Ana we so ye won Spain. Enti boy we no otimi bo ma Equatorial Guinea. Otimi bo ma Morocco. Otimi bo enso edema eye Spain. Now what does this mean? It means that at a very young age, Afena Riasno shining the spotlight on his talent. He deserves it. But there needs to be caution. Caution in the sense that he's not a finished product yet. Now, Barca rely on Lamine Yamal because it tells of their precarious state. When Messi was coming up, Messi had a Ronaldinho to learn from. And by the time Messi is ready to take you over now, no about Barca and 3 seasons. And Barca should take a cue from the AC Pen. We saw the story of Bojan Kerkic, Christian Teo, Isaac Cuenca, Ibrahim Afellay. All the kids, almost said these are brilliant kids and ones to watch for the future. No, Barca never realized their potential. The most recent case is Ansu Fati. So if you are dependent on a 16-year-old to hype as the star man of the show, it means our team may be our form. But I'm not in any way disputing the immense talent our boy in the world. But he needs to be guarded more well. And also protecting and then tone down on the hype. They should tone down on the hype. When no born on Drew Bebia. On Drew Bebia, they should tone down on the hype. Ansu Fati gave us more glorious moment than the Lamine Yamal against Villarreal. But Ekosi saying there is a lot for a youngster to learn. He's shown bright prospect. It is just that.
Biggie Mante,
20%.
Famisi, wait, or Chanwaba.
Oh, just brief.
Our membrane, Miss.
Nema me akwa sorry. Or we declare hunger strike.
Saying.
Or say on the deep. Wakwasha sorry them normal locking no. Enti ne ma me ne we ne auntie. O makwasha sorry them mo bompa say Jenny Hermoso ambambe yi anu anka no kura ewo mu a ono on the dida.
Ne ma me no.
Yes. And then no kura bi ewo bia no bompa Nyankopon say o ma no kura ne so mbededi. FIFA has banned him provisionally for 90 days. And that is a story coming from